So what's up my people, it's supposed to be King here once again with another update. So this particular project is one project that I've made a video about a few weeks ago, or should I say some weeks ago, and I kind of popped up to it today, and I decided to promote it again and show it to you guys. As you can see that the airdrop is going to start sooner or later, but people are actually earning points in it. So as you can see, if you go over to my account, you see that I have around 20k points over here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what to do to actually start earning points here, so that when the airdrop is going to launch, when the coin is going to launch, they're going to convert our coin to their airdrop. But a quick intro: if this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome to ZBK Crypto. Welcome to the channel where I drop updates, both USDT updates and then new cryptocurrency airdrop that is going to launch and earn us money. I made a video. I was making videos on eyes until eyes listed a few days ago, and most of us cashed out from eyes, which you guys can see and most of you can relate. And also tell me, how much you actually made from eyes? Even though eyes didn't list with a good price, but at least they gave a lot of people a lot of money. So what I will advise you, or kind of want you to do, if this is your first time coming to my channel, is to click on subscribe button, because this is where I share updates that is going to help you guys. A lot of updates, a lot of airdrop that I've shared, I've actually listed and we cashed out from it. I'm not joking. You can check my videos and see it by yourself. So the next thing is to turn on the bell icon, so that you get notification whenever I drop update like this. And again, try to smash this like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people, and YouTube can also know that this my channel is actually sharing an update that is helping people, and I'm doing it for free. Then last but not least, tell me whatever you think in the comment section. You can tell me, you can appreciate, or you can advise me, or you can ask me questions. Anything you want to do it in the comment section, because that is where I can actually communicate with you guys. And then last, don't forget to join my WhatsApp channel for more updates. And now let's dive into the main video. So first thing you have to do after watching this video is to go further to the link in the description of this video. You're gonna see the link to this my WhatsApp channel. This is where you get the link to this particular airdrop. Don't worry, once you follow the link, it's going to bring you to this airdrop direct. So the reason why I created this channel instead of using my former group is so that people that come new, that are going to have access to all these old projects, and then they will check the one that is suitable for them, or the one that is still available for them to go. So the channel is still new, and I barely have 70k followers here. So try your best to follow this channel, so that whenever I drop updates, you are going to get it with me. And then follow the link in the description of this video, get to this channel, and then follow this link, click on this link. It's going to take you over to where you will sign up to this particular project easily with your Google account, or you just follow with you sign up email. So once you are done doing it, you can also follow their social media handles for more points like this. So even though I wasn't actually going to the project, but now I want to take it more serious because I heard something about them. So every single day, once I done signing up and doing everything, try your best to come over to the platform every single day to click on claim 500 points. So as you can see, I just claimed it today. I can wait for it to refresh in the next 24 hours, I mean to say. So there are other things for you to do to actually earn points here. You can also complete missions, do a lot of things to earn 3 points here, but I'm not going to be doing it for the sake of the duration of this video. So what you have to do is to try your best. The project is legit. There is nothing to think about it, or maybe you're wasting your time, or blah blah blah. No, the project is legit and it will worth your time. So try your best, do the spin wheel, earn up to 1,500 points, do a lot of things here for you to earn points here. I'm not actually going to stress you guys much here, because there's nothing else you can do apart from trying your best to doing everything that you can do in this particular place to earn points. So for those of you that can refer, you can easily click on this particular place, copy your referral link, and hand over to wherever you can get referral. So that is it. I hope I've given you guys value on this video. Don't forget to mine your OpenEX, mine your complete your task on Over Wallet, and always earn the points there. Stake your points on Over Wallet and mine Immortal. Do a lot of all these projects. So once they start listing, we are going to be catching out, just like we did on Avive, we did on Reminato, we did on Core and other projects, even Eyes that was listed sometime last week. We also cashed out from it. So don't be left behind, don't look down on any project, and remain profitable. Once again, my name is Zubi King, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.